Bonjour. Okay, so in one of the other videos about email marketing, someone commented and asked what is the cheapest way to get started with email marketing. Now, this app is the fifth app we are reviewing in the email marketing segment, and it's the Email Abandonment Protector by chilliapps. So in case you missed it, check out the links here or here about the other 4 alternative apps to do email marketing, which is a crucial thing to do. So with that said, I have my ugly green tie on. The breakdown of the video is here of everything that we are going to cover, and let's just jump straight into reviewing this app. Alright, the app is installed and we are automatically redirected to the app dashboard. The dashboard looks clean and frankly it's pretty well organized. There is a sidebar here on the left. We will check it out in just a few minutes, but in case you need help with any part of the app, you can watch tutorial videos. There are 4 of them right here. And right under it, we have the app recommendations, and that is it for the homepage. So let's jump right into the sidebar. Here you will find the general settings, checkout list, email logs, and statistics. I love statistics. But let's start with the pop-ups. Click on it and we are in a new window. There are 4 types of pop-ups we can create. There is the exit intent one, the welcome message, the newsletter subscription, and the announcement bar. All right, let's try out the exit intent pop-up, and you know what? We'll even customize it a little bit. So for the exit intent pop-up, we have 3 options: the general pop-up, the exit intent for the shopping cart page, or you can create your own advanced pop-up. So basically the general one is whenever someone leaves your website, if I understand this correctly. The shopping cart page one is whenever someone leaves your cart, and then you can build your own. And so what's also cool is from this page, you can edit your exit intent pop-up, but also your exit intent email. Let's start with the pop-up. We will customize the general pop-up, click on edit pop-up, and we are on a new window. All right. I mean, look at these templates. They're pretty, like pretty. You can filter it by languages: English, Espanol, et Français, type, holiday, and color. We will stick with English for this one, but maybe let's choose this template right here. Click on it and the drag and drop builder is opened. You can choose from text, image, button, form, divider, and GIF editor. Wait, what? What's a GIF editor? So let's drag it to our pop-up and see. Oh, we can create or upload a GIF. Nice. That's pretty cool, actually. Okay, on this button here, you can change settings from the sign-up form to success form. It's really an easy process. You can make it fit your own brand, and that's kind of cool. This app is also considered one of the most reliable platforms because of it highlighting features. For instance, within a minute, it is possible for app users to create pop-ups and email sequences. And I get a lot of questions about email sequences, so you can do that here. The generated pop-ups will be totally customizable, so the store owners can edit based on their preferences. By providing newsletter subscriptions forms, online sellers enable collecting valuable statistics and feedback. Okay, so let's save our work and jump to the workflows. There are significantly more workflows than pop-ups, which is kind of to be expected. You can choose between abandoned checkouts, new offers for abandoned checkouts, receipts, thank you, email, pending orders, new offers for completed orders, purchase feedback, newsletter welcome, and follow us on social networks. So let's start with, actually, why not the first one? With abandoned checkouts. So this is an entire sequence that will be launched whenever someone abandons their checkout. So we click on it and we are on a new window. Okay, so similar template as we had with the pop-ups. In this abandoned checkout sequence, you can send up to 3 emails to recover abandoned checkouts. Let's see how the email editor looks like. Again, amazing collection of templates. So we will choose this one and we are on the same drag and drop editor as we had with the pop-ups. The only difference here is content blocks. Here you can find a lot more blocks, including custom HTML code. So you know what? Let's send a test email and see how it all looks in our inbox. And here's the email, and look at that. It looks very good. And that's it for the walkthrough. Again, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We do a whole bunch of these type of videos and it really helps me out. So as you know, store speed is super important for the conversion. And does this app affect the store performance? Well, let's figure that out. You can figure it out yourself as well with the free tool test, mystorespeed.com. Let's check it out. Let's analyze all the pages with our own tool. Testmystorespeed.com is free, and I don't even ask for an email, which anyway, I should really, but I'm not. So go check it out. We already analyzed this store before the app was added, so we can pretty easily compare it in the history section right here. Oh, this app has an impact on your store speed, as we can see. 3 or 4 apps of this size and weight, and you can say goodbye to some of your customers. So page size went up for around 100 kilobyte, and we have an additional 9 requests. All right, something to be aware of. It's absolutely not a deal breaker, but it is something to be aware of. Alright, I have pulled out my mobile and we are going to see if this app performs well on mobile. Mobile is crucial these days, and if you're not focusing on it, you're missing out on a lot of sales. So let's pull out the mobile right here, and in the first step of the review, we actually send a test email. You remember that? So it looks pretty awesome when I open up that email right here. Yeah, nothing bad to say here. It can definitely compete with the big guys like Uninstall and Klaviyo. But what about the exit intent pop-up that we also installed? So let's go to our demo shop right here. Let's scroll down, and maybe we can scroll fast to the top of the page to trigger it. Yep, and that actually did it. And the pop-up's right there. And frankly, it looks amazing. Great job, guys. Alright, customer support, there is actually no live chat, which, you know, as for us, it's kind of a... But let's send them an email and see how fast they respond. Let's not jump to conclusions and send the emails. And 5 hours later, we got a reply. Okay, welcome to the Facts Corner. So for the integrations, we don't really have anything that our research pulled up. I guess this app doesn't really integrate with anything else than Shopify right now. That's definitely something, if I would be the app developer, that I would work on, because it's good to have your app work with your CRM or with other apps in the ecosystem, so you don't have to manually transfer over information. If this is an important point for you, you might want to check out the alternatives to this app. What about pricing? Well, the basic plan is $8 a month, and then I think it's after 3,000 emails, it's going to be an additional $1.50 per 1,000 emails sent. Am I getting that correctly? That's correct. And it's actually one of the cheapest apps out there, besides maybe the Shopify email app, which is actually a little bit cheaper than that. Now, what do you get for $8 a month? Well, I'll just overlay it instead of simply naming it from you. You get all of this, which is a pretty good deal. Okay, what about the competitors? Well, there is quite a little list of them. We have Omnisend, which we have already reviewed. We have the big boy Klaviyo, which we've reviewed already as well. We have Drip. We have AC Marketing Automation. We have Smart Mail Email Marketing. We have Sendinblue. We have Seguno, which we already reviewed as well. And then we have the Shopify Email Marketing app from Shopify, which we also already reviewed. So definitely go check out those ones. And when we talk about rating, we have a 4.8 out of 5-star review. This is what it kind of looks like. Let's zoom in into those 1-star reviews and overlay them. We do this with every app just so you kind of get a feel of it. We're trying to be as unbiased as we can. So that's what the 1-star review looks like. Again, there's 1-star reviews everywhere. So a lot of people ask my opinion. What do I think about these specific apps? And first of all, I'm going to speak in general. Email marketing is super important for you to have. It's definitely low-hanging fruit. It's probably one of the lowest hanging, cheapest marketing channels for you, except if you're like in these couple of really weird segments that... Anyway, it's most likely the cheapest form of marketing. Yes, people still open up emails. In case you're wondering, yes, they do. Now, what about this app specifically? Well, clearly you can do a whole bunch of things that you could do in the bigger apps, which, you know, is fine. You already pay much less, so you really have to kind of see what your budget is and what you currently need. This is a great option, I believe, if you're on a budget. Maybe as great or maybe even slightly better as Shopify email marketing. Is this a direct competitor from Klaviyo? I don't think so. Guys like Klaviyo and Omnisense, they're pretty huge, and they're definitely for people that have an already ongoing email marketing machine. So if you're doing your first steps and you're like, oh, Andrew tells me email marketing is really important, I should probably do something, then this is actually a really good app to get started with, this either or Shopify email marketing. So check out both. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review. Make sure to like and subscribe to check out the other videos where I'm not wearing this horrible green tie, because if I'm wearing the green tie, that means I'm likely doing Shopify app reviews or very Shopify specific things. I do code reviews as well. I teach you how to code, and I do general entrepreneurship. Make sure to like and subscribe to get all the newest videos. Test mystorespeed.com to check out your store speed performance, and I will see you in another video. Thank you very much, and ciao bye.